Hey guys, Craig from Armor here. I wanted to take a minute to show you some cool new features in our Armor Management Portal. One of the first things that happen when you sign up as a partner is you get access to the multi-tenant view of the Armor Management Portal. From there, you can add all of your sub-accounts or customer accounts, and you can see all of those from within your master account. Once all of your customers are added, you can go into each one and configure individual connectors, which go out to all of your cloud or the customer's cloud environments and start pulling back configuration information and details about those environments. Once you configure those connectors, they go out to those cloud environments and start scanning and monitoring those environments against some policies built into the Armor Management Portal. There are policies for many of the modern and popular frameworks, regulations, and benchmarks. And then the Armor Management Portal will give you a report on which ones you're in compliance with. If there are any areas that need fixing, you can go back, look at the recommendations, and go back into your cloud and quickly fix those, and then run the reports again to see that you're in compliance. Now, Greg is going to walk you through some of the details.